aSKmyTUTO.com. Stop rewinding tutorials. Just ask. Turn any YouTube tutorial into an interactive mentor. Ask questions about the exact moment you're watching and get instant, clear answers without switching tabs, Googling, or rewatching.
I wanna learn, but.
Made for developers learning Python, React, JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, Next.js, CSS, Tailwind, SQL, Docker, Git, SEO, plus any topic.
Most people don't finish what they start. I did. Here's exactly what happened. In this video, I walk you through a complete learning session on aSKmyTUTO. HTML and JavaScript lessons, a full learning timeline, captured moments, and badges shared on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. This isn't a tutorial. This is what finishing actually looks like. How the learning timeline tracks every second you study. How aSKmyTUTO turns confusion into captured notes automatically. What a badge share looks like and why it matters. The exact moment the session told me I was done. Start your first session free. aSKmyTUTO.
aSKmyTUTO.com. Stop rewinding tutorials. Just ask. Turn any YouTube tutorial into an interactive mentor. Ask questions about the exact moment you're watching and get instant, clear answers without switching tabs, Googling, or rewatching.
I wanna learn, but.
Made for developers learning Python, React, JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, Next.js, CSS, Tailwind, SQL, Docker, Git, SEO, plus any topic. aSKmyTUTO.com. Stop rewinding tutorials. Just ask. Turn any YouTube tutorial into an interactive mentor. Ask questions about the exact moment you're watching and get instant, clear answers without switching tabs, Googling, or rewatching. I wanna learn, but made for developers learning Python, React, JavaScript, TypeScript, Node.js, Next.js, CSS, Tailwind, SQL, Docker, Git, CCO, any topic.